Fast car. What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning fast car from Tracy Chapman. It's gonna sound like this. Okay, you get the idea. And we're gonna learn the strumming for the chorus part at the end and the picking and everything. So for this one, you capo on the 2nd fret. I just taught the song to a private student of mine, and he said, or I said, he said, I can't remember who said it. We should do a tutorial of it. So we're gonna do this. Capo on the 2nd fret, and it uses the chord C, this C, G, E minor, with the 2 fingers at the bottom, and then D. Okay, so that's what we're gonna use. Okay, now let's just do it slowly. We're gonna do this song part for part. We'll do the strumming part later. So you're gonna play the C and lift off the index finger and lift off the middle finger as well. And then with this hand, you're gonna pick these 2 strings. And then hammer on with the index finger on the 1st fret. And then slap the strings. And then when you slap, you can take this finger off if you can do that together. But you don't have to take this finger off. It sounds fine with if this finger stays on. But you can actually take off your whole hand with a slap to get ready for the next chord. And then you go to the G. And then you play these 2 notes here with the bass. And then the 2 notes separately, and then slap. So it's ba-da, da-da. So you got E minor, D. This E minor, you play these 3 strings together and the bass at the top. Slap, D. So slap. Later in the song, you're gonna do this. So that's from the E minor. Just like that. And that's played throughout the whole song, as you know. Now, the verse, the bridge part. Oh, bridge, chorus. So remember when you were, see? And the strumming is going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. C, G, E minor. Now, let me just open the PDF here. We'll put a link for the PDF in the description. And yeah. Wow, I'm feeling very tired now. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Okay. And then for the, so let's just do the whole chorus. So remember when you were driving in your car, speed too fast, felt like I was wrong. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. C, E minor, D, now, C, E minor, be someone, be someone. That's it. So let's do that again, the whole chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, E minor, D. Here we go to C. C. Pretty simple. And yeah, the PDF explains the rest. Alternative to the strumming, if you don't get the strumming right, you could do just remember when we were driving down, up, down, G, and up, down, E minor. C, E minor, D, la, la, C, E minor, da, da, dee, da, da, dee, da, dee, da, dee, da. If you don't get that strumming, you could do that strumming. Down, down, up, just slower. Cool. Have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Cheers. Okay, well, we're back.